What's up, you guys? I am back with another headband wig, and yes, this is a Yaki headband wig. I have not reviewed one like this before, hard to believe. But yes, I'm here with a video sponsored by Best Hair By, and it is I have a card here with the information, Yaki Virgin Human Hair, and this is 16 inch. So wow is all I can say, y'all. Wow is all I can say. So, like I said, this unit is Yaki 16 inches. Number one, it is true to length. This is 16 inches. It almost feels longer. Number two, the softness of this hair. It is not gritty. It is not, oh, it's so soft. You have got to feel this hair. Oh my gosh, it's just, I love this hair. It looks like it could be mine, like honestly. And number three, I love the quality of these headband wigs that they provided. They are very, very high quality and thick rib material. Like, this is not cheap headbands. This is not. It's not the silk ones. These are not cheap. Very high quality, and they're thick enough to cover the band in the back, which is important. Normally, you know, the ones that come with the wigs, it has that thin elastic band in the back that don't cover nothing. These cover everything. So like I said, this is a 16-inch grab and go Yaki unit. Now the information for this unit will be below. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. It's not much to say. This is a wonderful unit. Now I'm not going to curl this unit in this video, but I just want to give you all some close-ups of the texture. And the density is, ooh, I gotta check the density. But it feels like 150. Like, if this is 130, this is bomb. But it feels like 150 because it is very, very thick. This is bomb. Like, this is bomb, y'all. So let me see if I can put it into a half up, half down style for y'all. Holiday ready. Holiday ready. So pretty. It looks like my real hair, you guys. I am loving it. And it is thick all the way to the bottom. It's not dry or crunchy. Let me see about this shedding. I am getting just a tad here, but the unit is fresh out of the box. So, I mean, running my hands through it, I'm not getting any fallout. I'm not getting any fallout. Y'all cannot say y'all don't like this unit. Okay, so let's see if I can put it in the bun. Like I said, I'm not going to curl it or flat iron it or anything, but just look at this texture. Like, it looks like my real hair. And I wish I had a bobby pin, but look at how cute that is. It is like, if you're going to school, like going to church, like anything quick, like you just need a grab and go hairstyle that looks like it could be yours. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try to balance this bun on my head for the rest of the video because I don't have a bobby pin or anything, but y'all, like I said, this is 16 inches. The wig does come equipped with 4 combs, and yes, this wig does have adjustable straps, and the inside of the wig is very well constructed. It's not like any other wig I've seen. The inside is very, very neat. It looks very, very strong, and this will last a very, very long time. Like I said, it comes with 4 combs, so you know it will be secure. And I do recommend using anchor braids within your style. So an anchor braid in the back to give something for the comb to grip into so it's not ripping out your hair. And also what I do, I make 2 anchor braids right here by my ear to give something for those combs to grab onto. And I just leave the front of my hair out to pull back in a ponytail over those braids, if that makes sense. I make 2 anchor braids here, but I leave some front hair in the back so I can have enough to push back. And I stick it all back into a ponytail. So like I said, very well constructed. The hair is very super high quality. This is gonna last you a very long time. This hair can be curled and flat ironed. I just won't do it on this video here because I really want the texture to shine in this video. And it's very versatile. You can do the pineapple bun all up, half down like I have now, in a ponytail or a bun, a low bun. You can braid, you know, you can put it to the side. Like, it's endless possibilities, and you don't have to know how to install lace. You don't need a lot of skill set to enjoy a unit like this. It is super cute. And even if you're not a headband girl, because I know a lot of women are like, okay, these headband wigs are just getting out of control. You don't like headbands, blah blah. Try it. I am not a headband girl. I've never been. I never liked headbands, but it's just so cute. You can't take away the quickness and the versatility and just all the features you get out of wigs like this. Is just so amazing. So let me go ahead and try to switch up the style. All right, guys, so I tried to do a little style here, just putting a bang in the front and a bun at the top. It ain't working that well because I did it too quick. So I need some time to kind of master this. But it's cute. You guys get the gist of it. I think, you know, I almost made you guys understand what I was doing here. But it's cute. I wanted to show you how it looked all up in a bun. And of course, I'm not going to show you the back because it was just a quick job. But as you can see, it would be super cute. And just this unit can be styled in so many fun ways. That's what I wanted to show you guys. All right, guys. So as you can see, I wanted to show you, even though I grabbed this front piece to make the bang, it's still plenty of hair back here to cover the tracks and everything you want to cover. And I still have this little bang here at the front. So let me know if you guys like this wig. I absolutely love it. It is so perfect for the season. I mean, it can be rocked anytime, but I love kinky, yucky textures for the holiday season when it's colder outside, you know, but this can definitely be rocked anytime, especially if you love that realistic, natural look, that natural blowout texture, and that's exactly what this is. Kinky, straight, yucky. I absolutely love the texture. And I actually can't wait to flat iron it to see how flat it can get. But of course, with this hair, you know, once you go out in the humidity, of course, it may go ahead and puff back up on you. But that's just how realistic this unit is. And let me just show you guys one more quick look of the hair. The ends are thick. True to length, 16-inch. So cute. Wait, I think this will be my thumbnail. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Definitely stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe if you want to keep getting my videos pop up on your timeline. I always review high quality, very inexpensive units. So let me know if you enjoyed this one. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.